Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to take up some tile floor. And before I get started, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss out on anything. So what I'm using is a hammer and I have a pry bar. Make sure you have safety glasses because this may splinter and these ceramic tile fragments can go everywhere. So I've been trying to do this a couple different ways. And when I first started, I was using my pry bar, putting it under the tile, and kind of tapping it like this. Down it was broke. So what was happening is that I was kind of splintering and making shards like this. And it wasn't, for the most part, coming off in big pieces. These two pieces are broke, so they came off pretty easily. But I found the way that works best is if you take your hammer and you kind of break them up. And you kind of break really easy. It'll create cracks in them. And then you can kind of use your hammer. You should get a lot bigger pieces out of there. And it should come up like a lot faster. If you don't crack the tile first, it seems to fight you a little bit more. So, see, I'm getting bigger pieces, and the job's going faster by breaking these tiles up. Let me see if I can, yeah, I can get this one over here. You guys can see it. Alright, so I just got that one to crack. Bam. That came apart without even using a pry bar. So, that method's working for me. Just smash the tile, break it apart with your pry bar. Make sure you have safety glasses. That's the way I figured out that it was easier, faster. If there's a contractor out there that has an even better way, feel free to leave a comment. We'll pin it to the top of the channel. We like to have you guys help us out. So, hope this helps you guys out. And don't forget to sub the channel and leave a comment if you have a question. We'll answer it.